Hello, welcome to excelexperts.com, Teach Yourself Excel, Lesson 5. This is on sheet navigation. So, where you want to go next is excelexperts.com, and from excelexperts.com, click on the Teach Yourself Excel section, scroll down, sheet navigation, and here's a description. But if you download this spreadsheet, open with Excel, you can then practice. So let's have a look at this. To select the next cell down, that's this one. Actually, let's play over here, shall we? The next cell down is the down arrow. So I'm pressing the down arrow once. I go to the next cell. I could also press enter. That takes me to the next cell. I could select the cell to the right by pressing the right arrow. I could select the cell to the left by pressing the left arrow. Select the cell above, press the up arrow. Select a range of cells. So click on a cell, drag the mouse. Select rows. I press Shift Space. So that will select all rows that my range is in. So if I select that as my range and press Shift Space, it selects all of those rows. If I'm only in one cell and press Shift Space, it selects a single row. To select columns, Control Space. To select the last cell to the left in a block, Control and left arrow. So if I'm here and I press Control left arrow, takes me there. To select the last cell to the right in a block, I press Control and right arrow. To select the top cell in a block, Control up arrow. Notice whenever there's a plus sign, I'm holding down the Control key and then pressing the other key only once. To select the bottom cell in a block, Control down arrow. To scroll down lots of cells, I press Page Down. So this might be called PGDN on your keyboard. To select lots of cells up, I press Page Up. To select the next worksheet, I press Control and Page Down. So suppose I had another worksheet, I could press Control and Page Down and Control and Page Up to go to the previous worksheet. To return to the first cell, I press Control Home. That takes me here. To select the last cell, I press Control End. And here, this is the last cell in which I've entered data in either the row or the column. So here I've entered some character function there. So that's some basic navigation around Excel. Practice it, become familiar, and if you get yourself in any trouble, always just press Control Home and that takes you back to the top left of your spreadsheet. You've been listening to excelexperts.com, Lesson 5, Sheet Navigation.